Welcome to Arrange Wave. Today we're talking about how to loop a click. We're going to loop this little click section, and I'm going to show you two ways to do it. Inside every Ableton project, there's these little bars, and this button is the loop button. Basically, select your section, turn the loop on, and you're going to get it to loop. You can key map or MIDI map this button to turn it on and off. I'm going to key map it to the letter L for loop. So when I hit L, you'll see it turn off and back on. Okay, the other way to do it, if you want to have multiple loops, move this over here, is I'm going to create a locator, call that loop, then hit Command-Shift-T to make a MIDI track. Make sure your output is set to IAC driver. We're going to double click to make a clip, select a note, and then we just want that playhead to run right into that note to map it, so we'll hit MIDI, select our locator. The last thing you hit needs to be the locator. Hit play, and you see it map. Make sure you're set to 1 bar and that your click lasts 1 bar. Every time the playhead hits the locator, it also hits your MIDI note, which fires the locator again, and will keep the loop going. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what we missed and what we can talk about next.